Magnetic base hands-free emergency light, stick them on a car, boat, or under the hood for any light needs. 15 LED emitters in each disc, 9 modes of ultra-bright light that you can see up to a mile away. Takes 3 AAA batteries not included. Ultra-durable, waterproof, crushproof, shockproof. Alert oncoming traffic of any emergency, can be seen up to 5,000 feet by oncoming traffic. Top reviews from the United States. Very bright and batteries last while in storage. Very bright warning lights. Great alternative to road flares, especially when we are in a drought and there is a concern about fires. These have been behind the seat in my truck for almost a year and the batteries are still in good shape. Only downside is most of my pickup is aluminum and the built-in magnets don't work.